Michigan, Jack Devine for Charlotte. Merrick Alsher and Mike Benning. Kessie had knocked the stick out of Kessie's hand. Riley Hughes now pressed to the end glass by Schuenemann. Addison gave it away up the middle of the ice, but Zabineh flubbed his. Those two teams in each of those examples I just gave. As Scoot sends one in front here, saves Jarenko, and the rebound still running around his net for Zabineh. Up the guts to McClinsky. Now Puljujärvi crisscrossing up the ice with Powell, the defenseman, up into the play. Even Powell in front, a save made by Jarenko on the backhand. To the red line, will roll it deep. Jarenko out of his net, but Scoot beat him to it. Got the puck out in front and chipping it just over the net. Now it's Fisher backhanding it, but he didn't have the same signal as Stutzel, his countryman. McClinsky to the loose puck, centering a shot. Chorski, he scores. Powell's a defenseman, but he's been moving up into the play a ton. Zabineh now, a shot goes in. Checkers get another one as it's the checking of Addison. And then Addison threw him down from behind with a cross check into the side boards. That's going to bring about a crowd and a penalty. For the first time tonight, tempers flare. As Ben Steeves picks himself up slowly from the glass, and Heward and Bitton now finally are getting their chance to scrap. They're trading right hands right along the glass. Sam Bitton with a couple of good rights on Heward. Bitton has lost his helmet. And a good scrap that was brewing between those two, dating back to the first period. It's had a tough time dissecting the slot area. However, Puljujärvi through the middle. Hillman right down Main Street, cuts into the T-Bird end, backhands one and scores. The O-zone, weaves to the backhand, around the net, slipped it out in front. Nobody was there for it. Now Puljujärvi from a bad angle fires and he scores. The Atlantic Division semifinals. T-Birds, meanwhile, will have a quick turnaround. Great save there, but now Leonard banks it in off Harrington and scores. Final 10 seconds of the regular season will tick off the clock. And the Calder Cup playoff series in the Atlantic Division are now set. It'll be the T-Birds and the Bruins, the Phantoms and the Penguins in the first round.